Have you done it up till here? Okay. Fine. What? 0.909. How come it is coming? Fine. I will tell you. How it comes. This divided Now what we are doing is, see here, listen everyone see over here, we have used the rate is 0.1. Now what Excel does, if you keep on copying the formula, it will keep on taking the next cells as such. So in order to freeze the cell, you have to put dollar before rows and columns. Let us see what happens if we remove $1. So if I want to freeze only one, if I want to freeze only the row, what I will do? I will just put dollar for the row only, and I will remove dollar from B. Now see what will happen. If you keep on copying the formula now, what it will do? Now see the formula what it has done. It has taken B as such and $1 means only one is freeze. Rest the amount it has taken directly from it. So here for freezing both the panes, we have to freeze all B also and 1 also. Otherwise, if only B is freezed, it will keep on taking the values from others. Okay. So for this purpose,
why haven't you taken one from in that formula? Why haven't you taken one from?
Yes, very good question. Why I have taken 1 from this formula? Because I want a compounding. I want the effect of this on this, this on this, this on this. That's why I have to take effect of this on this first. And when I will copy the formula, the effect on this will be from this to this. The effect of this will be from this to this here. And then further effect will keep on doing like that. Are you getting the point? That's why instead of taking 1, I have taken 1 over here as such in the page. You got everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Listen. See, if I am keeping the pen over here, listen, if I am keeping this particular cell selected, what is the formula coming? If I keep it over here, what it is coming for this? It means it is doing something with the C4. Okay, now see it further. C5, C6, C7, C8, C9. Isn't it going like that? So I want the effect of this on this. That's why I have selected this as such, and I have not freezed one as a fixed variable. I have just taken this as a variable, not the fixed one. Okay, so this is the reason why this has been taken. Is it clear to everyone or not? What problem you are having? Because I want to consider the rate of raised to power n. So for the n number of years, but for that particular point, when we are going exponentially, when exponential rate is to be calculated, we have to take a base of the previous one. Then only you can go for exponential. So here the series is exponential series. Why raised to power n? So the effect of the previous cell has to be taken up in order to give the effect to the exponential. Okay, that's why the effect of one is to be on second on third, third on fourth, fourth on fifth, and that's why. Because of giving the effect of raised to power n. Beta value same है is that मैंने बताया I have to make it dynamic. मुझे अपनी बात मुझे तुरंत एक सेकंड में सिर्फ एक सेल चेंज करके 5% की वैल्यू निकालेंगे। इसलिए और इसलिए इसको डायनेमिक बनाया। देखो यहाँ पे तो अच्छा जो अपन ने एक सेल का इफेक्ट दूसरे सेल पे अपने किया है वो क्यों किया है उसको मैंने 1 लेके क्यों नहीं किया C3 क्यों लिया 1 क्यों नहीं because I want to get the यहाँ से जो ले रहे हो मैं पूरा listen over here everyone see the reason behind taking now a question most of you are asking that why I have taken C3 over here, why not 1 I have taken directly? The answer is, what is the formula? Formula is 1 upon 1 plus r raised to power n. When you are going for something exponential, there has to be the base and the base has to be the previous figure. Then only you can go for exponential. Recently just now we have done for the compounding. What was the base for the next compounding? The previous compounded factor was the base for the next compounding. In the same way here, the previous discounted factor will be the base for the next discounted amount. That's why 1 is taken as C3, okay? And if you see the effect on the next one, what it is? C4. And this what Excel does. It automatically takes the previous figure as when it is copying the thing. So it not only copies the value, it never copies the value. It copies the entire formula in it, and that is the power of Excel. And now see, if I want to calculate it for 5%, just I have to put 0.5 over here. And all the values will be according to the 5%. Has everyone got it? इधर आपको आया? Vindya, we got this point? Is there anyone in the class who has not understood? आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे? Got it? Very nice. Anything else you want to ask in this? Now listen, what is to be done is, once you have calculated this, the next thing to be done is that you have to multiply. See this. The formula which I am using for multiplying is V3 into C3 because I want multiplication of all the things over here. Now what I will do? I will just copy and paste this And it will, these all will get multiplied, these all will get multiplied by this. Okay?
50% के हिसाब से आ रहा है इसलिए वैल्यू कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ, ये 50% के हिसाब से वो ऊपर चेंज कर लेंगे। ये लो, आप जितने परसेंट का निकालना चाहो एक जगह चेंज करके निकाल सकते हो। Now, what I want is, I am telling you, we are going in a foolish way, but I want you to, need you to understand the things uniformly. Here we were receiving an annuity of rupees 10,000. The annuity is of rupees 10,000. How much we have invested? 1 lakh. But how much we are getting? An equal amount throughout the period gives us the annuity. And for that we calculate the annuity value. Annuity value can be for compounding, annuity value can be for discounting. Okay. For example, premium of the insurance policy, EMI of a loan, deposit of recurring deposit amount which you are continuously paying the same amount, all are annuity amounts. Or even if I can do this, that after a certain period of time at a certain rate of interest, how much shall I invest now that I get a certain amount in after the completion of certain period? That can also be done. Okay, so how much equal amount should I invest, or what will be the EMI of my loan? Even a person can adjust the loan amount on the basis of the EMI. Okay, so this is another powerful tool which we will be using. Annuity can be a future value annuity, annuity can be a present value. Okay, so future value annuity means when you are investing something to get some return in the future, that 10,000 if I invest, after 10 years what I get, so the amount which I get after 10 years will be adjusted. So in order to get the value to be invested in the present year will be called annuity value for the future period. In the same way, the annuity value for the discounting period or present value annuity can also be calculated. That if on investment of certain amount now, how much amount I will be receiving in the future. Okay, one is taking, other is